Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we're talking about Reef Finance coin. What's the current price of Reef Finance? What's the prices goes in a Reef Finance coin? And I'm talking about the urgent update of Reef Finance coin. So keep watch this video till the end friends, because this video gonna be very special, gonna be very urgent for all of you friends. Now friends, before starting this interesting video friends, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please click the subscribe button below friends and like this video friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the current day price of Reef Finance coin friends. 0.039161 USD dollar is the current day price of Reef Finance coin friends. And if we talk about the price since occur in the Reef, so the last 1 hour price change as positive friends, last 1 day price change as negative friends, and last 1 week change as again positive friends. Let's see the price chart of the Reef Finance coin for better understanding friends. As you can see, first of what I'm talking about is I show you on the thumbnail that the big pump are coming soon friends. Now the pumping period of the refinance coin starts now friends. So please don't do this mistake at this time friends. As you know, the previous period of the refinance coin are in the fast friends, are in the negative friends. So don't sell the refinance coin at this time friends. I hope that this jump is a continuously jump of the refinance coin throughout this month friends. So please don't sell it friends. It's time to hold refinance coin friends. On the other hand, if we talk about the price change occur in the refinance coin, so negative 1.46% negative change occur in the refinance coin, and 0.04099 USD dollar is the highest price of refinance coin in the last 1 day friends. The current price are slowly moving upward. I hope they can hit a 1 USD dollar in 2022 if this kind of jump continue in refinance coin friends. The currently at this time live price of refinance coin is about 0.039161 USD dollar is the current price of refinance coin friends. So please, the urgent update is that don't sell your coin in this time friends. Now as you can see here on the graph, so refinance coin start jumping friends. So it is clear for all of you that it's time to hold a refinance coin, and I hope that refinance give you good amount of profit in the future friends. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest, buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrencies, so please do your own research, friends. Make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.